Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically fill your Pinterest bulk upload sheet using a Google AppScript and export it as a CSV, ready to upload to Pinterest. This method is perfect for Etsy sellers, bloggers, or marketers who want to save hours preparing pin content. Let's get started. Here's my Google Sheet set up exactly like Pinterest's bulk upload format. We have title, media URL, Pinterest board, thumbnail, description, link, publish date, keywords. I've added my product link in cell F2, and keywords in H2. The script will use these values automatically for each pin. Now, I'll create the automation using Google AppScript. Go to Extensions, right pointing arrow AppScript, and paste the script provided by ChatGPT. This script does three things. Reads all image and video files from a Google Drive folder. Auto-generates the pin details like title, board name, and description. And fills out the sheet row by row, starting from tomorrow's date. You just need to enter your folder ID here, point to the line in code. Once your script is ready, click the Run button. It may ask for permission, just review and approve access. After it runs, you'll see your sheet fill up magically with all the data pulled from your drive. We can see the AppScript has filled this spreadsheet with data pulled up from the Google Drive folder. No more manual, tedious, time-consuming task. Get this file to upload your bulk pins. I hope this tutorial helps automate your Pinterest workflow and boosts your shop's